Hello everyone, just another quick update. I just received the Nikon Z6. I rented for 4 days. I did the order 2 days ago in lensrental.com and just do it for 4 days because my Canon is due by the end of this week also. So I want to create some content with the Nikon Z6 versus EOS R as well. So I think it's good to just go through the camera quickly. And I have the Z lens 35 1.8 S, and this time I didn't rent the adapter, but I wanted to try the native Z lens and then try it out. My first impression is pretty good. I just did a couple test shots, some object shots. It feels pretty good to me and pretty solid lens. And the other thing, I turned the aperture priority mode on. So, and then let me go to the menu quickly. Let me adjust the lighting. Okay. So this is the menu. For those of you who have been shooting with Nikon before, you might be familiar. So basically it's almost similar. I feel like it's easy to navigate. It's similar to the Fujifilm style. Also on the left it has all the options, on the right it has the rundown of all the stuff. The only thing I changed in the first page here is here from normal to the fine, JPEG fine. So the other thing I changed, let me go, ISO sensitivity. And no, I didn't change this one. Auto ISO sensitivity control is on. Maximum is 5120. Maximum sensitivity refresh. These two I didn't change. Minimum shutter speed I was going to change to 1/1 250 or 120 or 125, but after I changed, it feels like the ISO it was higher, so I turn it back to the auto minimum shutter speed. Let the camera decide for this time. So I do it like this, and let me go back. Next one, white balance. I didn't change. I leave it in auto. So when I'm doing the comparison, I'm gonna set these two, the Nikon and Canon auto also. So I will have one comparison side by side for both images. Even though the lens might have one stop difference, it might have the same frame, but I'm not very focusing on the stop. I want to see the difference in terms of the color and skin tone as well, just in the auto white balance. So I leave it in the auto. So, and not much change in this menu. Metering, multi-metering, I use matrix metering, so whatever the default one in the top. Flash mode, I don't use flash, so I shoot natural light only. And yep, these are the same. So the first one I didn't change. I just changed those settings. Second one I didn't change. And I usually might change the autofocus, but this one is fine. I didn't change. I leave it. So yep. So not much change. I just leave it here quickly, just as a quick video update. And I will have the first shoot in Saturday. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video to come. My first video might be the Nikon versus Canon. I might mix the Fujifilm inside as well. Since I have the medium format. So, but I will take the comparison of these two full frame first, and then just play around with some other comparison as well. So in this 4 days rental. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.